Hello and welcome to Naples Used Boats and Yachts. This is Dan DiLisio offering you a very nice used boat here for sale down here in Naples, Florida. Today we have a 2006 Triton. It's the LTS 220. It is a beautiful bay boat that can go offshore as well. They call it a crossover style. It's only had one owner since new. The gentleman kept it rack stored down in Goodland, Florida, where he enjoyed fishing on it, but unfortunately his health is not doing that great and it's time to sell. But he loved this boat. He caught a lot of fish on it, and this is a high quality bay boat that can offer you lots of options. You can go run offshore into the choppy water or go into the backwaters where it's pretty shallow. It's got a very shallow draft and also can handle the chop with its full deep V design. It's powered with a it was repowered in 2017 with this beautiful Mercury 225 Verdo, and it was professionally done and rigged, and the engine has 830 hours on it, and most of those hours, well, at least half of them are at idle from fishing the backwaters. It's got an 8-foot power pole, shallow water anchor, a factory T-top with an electronics box up top, spreader lights facing aft, lots of rod holders. It's a pure fishing machine, and you can take your family out too. Lots of storage on this boat. It's a 22 LTS. Feels more like a 24 footer. Let's get on board and see what she looks like. We just got done cleaning her up, polishing it and waxing it. She's looking real nice. Okay. Getting on board at the helm. You have a really comfortable helm chair you can sit back on with a footrest. There's a removable bench seat, cushioned seating area here for a couple people with the backrest that fits into the holders. Right now we have the fishing chair in there. There is a big live well underneath this one. This is the main live well right here, circulating. On this side, live well, circular live well on that side. And over here is storage bin for all your pumps. Our steering pump, trim tab pump, lots of rod holders. At the helm, you have a new controller, which is a digital controller, no cables, fly-by-wire technology. 2 units up here. The Simrad is fairly recently installed, and you have the original Garmin down here. So you have 2 7-inch screens. Mercury SmartCraft gauges, VHF radio, storage compartment up top, lots of rod storage under the gunnels, more rod holders here. Walking to the bow, you got lockable rod storage along the sides, center storage area, pretty deep, and an anchor locker up front. At the bow we have a Minkota Terrova 24-volt trolling motor, which is a self-deploying motor. You just push the button, push the remote, and it deploys itself, so you don't have to break your back doing it. And it's really, really handy. It's not that old either. From the bow looking aft, you can tell it's nicely arranged. 2 to 4 guys fishing. Here's your forward live well underneath the seat cushion. Remove the seat cushion and it gives you access to the batteries and all the electronics. The battery switch. Nice tall windshield. Good looking boat. These boats handle the water very well. Nice, smooth, dry ride, they say. And we're looking forward to finding somebody who's going to fall in love with it. Keep in mind it does not have a trailer. If you need a trailer, we have plenty of trailers available, either new or used. Just give me a call. So there you have it, 2006 Triton LTS 220 with a 2017 Mercury Verdo, smooth running, powerful, fuel efficient, 4-stroke 225, and for sale here in Naples, Florida. Give me a call. My name is Dan DiLisio. I can be reached at 239-571-4500, and we'll see you on the water. Thank you.